Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Land Rover Discovery. So from any screen, you can either click the menu there, and you've got there, it's telling you what lane I'm on. You can click that, or you can click the one with the same symbol on here, which does exactly the same thing, brings you to that. At the bottom there, you've got 6 like square blocks, or picture of 6 square blocks there. Address, points of interest, intersection, and so on. The 3 red dots, map heading, you can change two-dimensional, three-dimensional, we'll go on 3-dimensional. You've got play voice guidance prompts, that's already ticked. We'll go back, and the 6 blocks here at the bottom left hand corner, click on there. Where to? We want to enter zip code, bit of an Americanism, but our postcode, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5. It defaulted to numbers there. Some you have to put a space in if there's only 2 digits, but this you don't. 4JS, PR5 4JS, that's right, so we click on that. Options, that's it. That's how you set it.